Okay, everybody, so fix the microphone there. There's a few things going on. Been a heck of a busy day. As you can see here, we got the engine in. The engine is in. It was a manual transmission car, which I didn't even realize that. It doesn't matter. I took the clutch off of it. The dual mass flywheel is roached in it. 130, 129 or 131,000. I can't really remember. And I don't know. I haven't opened it up yet. I just got it off the truck. Just got it on the engine stand. We just saved your bolts from last time. You always want to make sure when you do these, and just real quick, to put a washer so the head don't pull through the engine stand if it's close to the size of the hole. Couldn't find another washer, so we put a little engine hook from M54 on there. Got the bottom all done. That's all finished up. Just by looking here real quick, I see there's a couple of the plugs were squished on it. That's all right. We're not going to use that anyway. And had another bit of wiring hanging off with some relays and stuff. Also the fuse, the 5 fuse holder from the ECU box. This is an E60. Ew. This is an E60 M54. We were putting it in E39. There should be no issue. We are going to have to use the E60 engine mounts, the E39 engine mounts. Maybe the E39 oil pan, we'll have to look at that and make sure and see. Maybe not though. So the next thing, I'm putting you on the stand. We're going to open this bad boy up and we're going to see what we got. Get you guys up here. A little bit of that action going. I hate these. I'm starting to not like these Rode mics. Once I get, like right here, the sound is great. Right here is probably not. It's probably really quiet. I don't like that. I might get some lapel mics, but I don't want to have it stuff hanging all over you in front of your work on stuff. Let's go and chop it open. I'll bring you guys in. I'm very careful here not to. What we really need to happen here, we need a good valve cover, which is going to be iffy. We need a good short block, which might be iffy also. So we'll see. Hopefully this is the valve cover with the newer style coil packs. Because if we have that, it's a lot less likely that the valve cover is going to crack. To an extent. To some very mild extent. Okay. I'll put some gloves on here. Hopefully a lot of you guys enjoyed the live stream last night. I think it went really well. Doing that tonight, which this will be overtime you get to see this. This video won't be up till tomorrow. Doing tonight on the MRE channel. Reviewing a lot of Russian food. All kinds of stuff. And let's see what we got. The left hand's not going to open that. All right. So everybody says, yes, sir. Okay. So let's set that over there. Let's get the light and let's see. Holy crap, the place is wrecked again. I just cleaned it. I just put all that stuff up for another one. Let's see how we look. We had some oil on 1 and 2, but that looks like they could very well be from spillage up here. They always crack between 4 and 5. I don't see any oil at all anywhere. There's some water and stuff on it from being outside. I don't see any leaking below the cover. They just cut the oxygen sensors off. They must not know how much a good set of those bring. The engine overall is pretty clean. I don't know if they cleaned it or not. Probably not. There's some very minimal amount of leaking under there. Very tiny amount. We do have the harness, so we're going to have to chop that up with our E39 harness, I believe. I don't think it's plug and play. And we'll make a harness. We'll show another video on that. We've done that once for M56, for the M56 swap. We'll do it again on this one. The valve cover looks great. Looks really good. Oh, it's just a casting. I thought it was a crack there. It was just a casting. Okay, and somebody's been in there. Somebody's been fooling with the CCV. That's okay, because I assumed getting this, the DISA was going to be bad, which we don't know yet until we take it apart. I assumed the CCV is going to be bad. I wasn't going to have a chance to use one anyway. I mean, overall, you know, we're going to put the other hard pipes we got on it. This still has a throttle body. They put plugs and everything. Still has ICV in it. I mean, hell, as long as it's not blowing up or the threads aren't stripped out of the block, I'm pretty happy with it. So what we are going to have to do, and in case you didn't know, let me do this real quick before I forget. Right here is the coolant drain for the block. So that's under the exhaust manifolds, but you can't reach up from the bottom of the car and take that out. And a lot of guys have even put a petcock in there, so it has like a one-way valve. So if they ever want to drain the block, like they have to work on the water pump, they don't want coolant everywhere, they'll put a petcock in there. They reach up underneath there, turn the deal, even stick a hose on it and drain it right into a bucket or a pan. So yeah, I mean, all the exhaust studs are missing, but we don't care about that at all. We have all that. We'll sort all that out. The oil pan looks to be good. Like I said, I'm not sure if we could use that or not. I have to do some looking. That one's good. That one's new. Yeah. That's brand new. That looks new. But we have one of those already off the other engine that was new. But it looks new. I don't know. You just don't know stuff. And the cam sensor is OEM for the exhaust side. Don't know anything about it. Cam sensor on this side is also OEM. Now, if those are never been replaced and it has 130,000 miles on it, we have two good ones. Another engine we took out. We'll probably just go ahead and use the other ones. We use as backups or spares. I can't really say enough about it. We'll know until we get the pan off. We're going to have to take the valve cover off and check the head bolts. That'll be one of the very first things we do. Probably tonight or tomorrow. We'll check all that out. The new oil pan gasket's here. The new rear main seal is here, which it needs. Look at all that goo. We'll replace the rear main seal on it. The front main seal, I did not get one yet. But it looks like a little bit of oil there, but I don't think it's in the front main. We'll check that out. If it needs any of that stuff, we'll go and replace that. Okay, so today just a very quick video on this. I want to show you guys this thing's in here. We'll have videos coming out pretty soon on it. We'll see you guys very soon. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching.